Hello everyone, this is Joe Sorry from Houston, Texas, land of swamp and mosquito. And today we have a terrible problem. It's not the wind, it's not the heat, it's not the humidity. No, it's snowing in Houston. And it's coming down in pretty big flakes. Well, I even had to put the Alpha Dog's winter coat on. Boy, it's a good thing that I had one from 10 years ago. What do you think about that, Sophie? What do you think about all this cold weather that we're having now? By the way, I would like to send my greetings to my mother and dad in Muskegon, Michigan. You see, because it snows there every winter, and it snows, and it snows, and it snows. It snows so much that you never think it's going to end. Hey Mom, hey Dad, I just want to tell you that you're not going to believe it today, but it's snowing in Houston, Texas, the land of swamp and mosquito. Not just a little bit, pray tell, as you can see. It's snowing big time.